Hey guys, how's it going? Tom here from Motown Models. For today's video, I'm going to go through exactly what I do here at Motown Models and go through the services we provide, the products we sell, and things of that nature. So let's get right into the video. So there's really two sides to Motown Models. The first one being services that we provide, and the second one is the products that we sell. Services comes down to things like installing DCC decoders, painting locomotives, doing kit bashing and scratch building, and doing some weathering as well. If you're looking to have any work done on your model, you can go to motownmodels.com and click on the pricing tab, and this will give you a pretty generic idea of what something might cost to do some work on. If you want some more detailed estimates, you can email me at tom@motownmodels.com or go to the contact tab and fill out the form on there. Either way, I'll get back to you pretty quick and we can discuss what kind of things you have in mind for your project. On the product side of things, the vast majority of what I've been offering are ESU products, whether it be decoders, speakers, wire, accessories, cradles, lock programmer, things like that. But I've also been venturing into selling my own products, such as things like these LED lights. These will be available very soon on the website, and they are going to be pretty cool. I'm very excited with how they're coming out so far. On the website, if you go to the shop menu, you can hover over there and see DCC decoders. And so far, this is what I have on the website. We have the sound, silent, and function decoders, pretty much the full band of ESU lock sound products. And I'll be adding things more and more as time goes on here. I also have some decals, which is pretty cool. These are SEMTA decals in HO scale, but unfortunately they're sold out right now. I'm working on getting some more, but these things will be updated over time, and in the future you'll be able to go to the shop menu and there'll be a bunch of things all along here. And I'm pretty excited about all of the products that we're going to be offering. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can email me at tom@motownmodels.com and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I appreciate you watching this video. I normally don't do this, but I actually have a Instagram and a Facebook page as well. So here's the links or whatever to those. On Instagram, I post some projects I'm working on and some updates on different things that are going on with the shop. And on Facebook, I post some finished model pictures and things of that nature. So if you want to see any of those, go like, subscribe, whatever it's called to those things. I appreciate you guys watching all the videos, and I will see you in the next one.